Good morning, listeners. I'm Noah Mercer, and welcome to the FinMonkeys Morning Brief. It's a bright June morning, and the markets are already buzzing with a mix of earnings, tech hype, and a little gold fever. Let's dive in. First up, everyone's eyes are on Oracle's quarterly results, a big software name that can set the tone for tech stocks, especially with chatter about a possible SpaceX IPO on the horizon. At the same time, we've got gold slipping lower as traders price in a potential Fed rate hike, which could reshape risk appetite across the board. So, what's really framing today's market? It's the blend of corporate earnings and monetary policy cues. Oracle's performance will either reinforce confidence in the software space or raise eyebrows if the numbers miss expectations. At the same time, the gold market is reacting to the prospect of a Fed rate increase. Higher rates usually pull investors away from safe haven assets like gold, nudging risk-on sentiment. And don't forget the CPI data that's about to drop. It's the final piece that, looking beyond the headline numbers, several sectors are feeling the pressure. The airline industry, for example, saw shares of Delta, United, American, and Southwest tumble after the IATA warned that rising fuel costs are eroding earnings, a reminder that commodity prices can still bite into profitability. Over in the bond market, Treasury yields nudged higher as investors weighed fresh domestic price pressures alongside rising geopolitical tension in the Middle East, a mix that could lift borrow. That's the FinMonkeys morning brief for today. The next thing to watch is CPI numbers, and the SpaceX IPO filing will be the next catalysts. Thanks for listening to FinMonkeys. We'll be back tomorrow with the next market setup.